My name is Grech. I was your people seeking women over all the primary to say the business school.
It truly is a pleasure to speak about Benjamin, or rather Ben Grech, who has been employed with the Farsons Group some 10 years. He was engaged in 2011, and that came about after a course he followed at MCAST, the Pathways course, which included as well a summer placement with Farsons. Following the summer placement, Ben came on another scheme, on the Bridging the Gap scheme. He carried out a placement with us, and after that we offered Ben indefinite employment with the group. It was no major decision to take on Ben. Ben had already formed a number of close relationships with the group. We decided to take him on board as part of our team, the HR team.
For Estellanes, I think my friends we are left. I was your teachers. I got to the first class about raising Navy course.
Ben is a very active member. He attends almost all meetings and outings, and he's an active participant in organizing and coming up with ideas.
Ben contributes in various ways to Farsons. He does a lot of work with helping us with paperwork. He scans documents, he shreds documents. He also helps with distributing drinks and stacking our fridges, and really helps out in a number of odd jobs. More than anything, Ben is known to many employees across the group, not only within the offices, but even in production.
I try to be as cunning, and because CRPD, I think the more copies of your books. I think of Mr. Safa, and we can try behavior good. You try to do a great work.
I've known Ben and his family from when he was just a baby. I worked with them to support Ben's development. From day one, I can recall just how tenacious he was. His ability to persevere really came through. I've been involved in most of the milestones Ben has achieved, and he is an achiever. He's always worked hard. Ben's always followed things through. He takes life in his stride. Ben takes part in whatever's on offer wholeheartedly, and he just simply loves life.
Within the group, Ben always takes the initiative to remember special dates in the group's lives, such as birthdays, or maybe if they have an event coming up, and he makes sure to make a celebration of it on the day.
He is a very kind, he's a very jovial character. He makes it a point to socialize and to speak to people. He really is a figure within Farsons.
St. Claude, Sarah Petros, Antoinette, Rachel, and Ed Marina, Ed Martin, and Edgar, Sam as well.
Ben is a great asset to our group because he not only is an active participant, but he makes sure to keep everyone's spirits up and bring the whole group together.
Ben brings much more to the group than we ever thought. He helps the team to be able to be more of a team because of him and because of the attention that we try to give to him and the attention he gives to us. He reciprocates wholeheartedly to that. We have been able to become more of a team, and he is central to this team. It is truly a pleasure and a joy to have Ben with us as part of our HR team and have Ben as part of the Farsons group.